In this video, we are going to learn how you can add multiple rows in Google Sheets for multiple order items. So the idea here is that whenever a new order has been received on your Jotform specific form and the order contain multiple items, then all the item details or all the product details should be added to your Google Sheet. For that, you need to integrate your Jotform with Google Sheets. So here your trigger application would be Jotform and your action application would be Google Sheets. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that you need to come to my screen. To integrate Jotform with Google Sheets, first we need to log into pabbly.com. This is the website of Pabbly. Now if you are a new user, you have to just click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you are going to get free task every month. If you are already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply sign in. In the All Apps section, access Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this plus sign, create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Jotform to Google Sheets integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever the Jotform is filled and the order contains multiple products, then all the product details should be added to your Google Sheets. For that, we need to integrate Jotform with Pabbly Connect first. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Jotform. Select the trigger event as new response. Now here we can see a webbook URL and some instructions. So follow these instructions to set up the webbook in your Jotform. I'll just copy this webbook URL from here and I'll just take you to the Jotform which I have already created. And here you can find various forms that I have created: custom products, fee submission status, contact form. So I'm just going to integrate custom products with Pabbly Connect first. So I'm just going to click on this edit form and I'll just show you the form. So this is the form that I have created, custom products, we print your dreams. And this is the order form where I am collecting the details of the customer, that is his name, first name and last name, his mobile number, his email address and the product that he wants to purchase, that is the customized t-shirt, mug or the bottle. And here we have asked for the delivery date also. Now if you want to add some more fields to this particular form, you have to just click on this plus sign, add form element. You can add the fields as per your requirement. Once you have created this form, you have to just move to the settings option. Then click on integrations. And here we have to search for webbooks. Click on webbooks. Now here it is asking to add a webbook. So here we have to paste the webbook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Click on complete integration. And now let's click on finish. So here we can see a tick mark on the webbooks option. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that it is waiting for the webbook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So let's move to the form. And here we have to just click on this publish option. And here we are going to just open the form in a new tab. We have got the form link so that we can fill in the details on the name of some customer. Okay, let's fill in the details. First name of the customer as demo. Last name as name itself. Let's add the mobile number along with the country code. Let's add the email address as demo@pabblytudes.com and select products to be customized. So I'm just going to select a t-shirt, a mug and a bottle. So we are going to select all the 3 products for the first time when we are going to set up the automation. Okay, and now here we have to give the delivery date. So let's give the delivery date as 30th of September and now let's click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that the response is received and all the details of the form submission are captured over here. We can find the form ID, we can find the submission ID, and when we scroll down, we can find all other details also. The name of the customer, his mobile number, his email address, and here we have got the product details also. Okay, this was the first product, this was the second product, mug, and this was the third product. And here we have got the unit price, currency, quantity, total, subtotal amount, and the total amount also. So we have got all the details of the order over here in our response. Okay, so now we want this multiple product details to be added to our Google Sheet. So now we are going to integrate Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So scroll down, come to this action window and here choose the application name as Google Sheets. Select the action event as Add Multiple Rows. Click on Connect, click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Google Sheets. Now here it is asking me to choose an account to continue to Pabbly Connect Sheets. I'm just going to choose my account from here. Now here it is asking for the additional access. So let's click on continue to give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And now the Google Sheets are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we have created a connection, here we can find all the spreadsheets that we have created in our Google Sheet account. Okay. So I'll just show you the Google Sheet that I have already created named Custom Printing Orders, where I'm collecting all the details related to the order. That is the submission ID, customer name, his email address, phone number, product name, quantity, price and delivery date. Okay. And here you can see that the sheet name is Sheet 1. So we have to just integrate this particular Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So we have to select the same spreadsheet name over here from the drop down. Now here you can see that the sheet name is automatically captured just because I have created a single sheet in this particular spreadsheet. If you have created multiple sheets from the drop down, you have to select your specific sheet name. Okay. Now here we have to map submission ID, customer name and other details that needs to be entered into these columns. So we have already got all these details from our trigger response over here. So now we are going to map these details. For mapping, simply scroll down, click it over here, come to the trigger response and from the drop down we have to map the submission ID. Okay. In the same way we are going to map the customer name. So let us find the customer name, that is demo, as well as the last name, that was name itself. You'll be mapping the email address. You'll be mapping the phone number. Now here we have to map the product name. Enter multiple comma separated values over here. Example value 1, comma value 2, comma value 3. So as I am selling 3 products using my Jotform account, I'll be mapping all the 3 product names over here. Okay, you have to map all the product names over here whenever you're going to set up the automation for the first time. But next time, whenever the customer will be purchasing a single product or multiple products, all the details will automatically get captured. But remember, whenever you're going to set up the automation, initially you have to map all the product names over here. So we have to map it from Jotform. So let us map the product name over here. The first product, that was t-shirt. Give a comma. Then we'll be mapping the second product, that was mug. And after that, we'll be mapping the third product, that was bottle. So we have mapped all the 3 product names. In the same way, we'll be mapping the quantities of all the 3 products. So let us find the quantity. This was product 0, quantity 1. Okay. Then we'll be mapping the quantity of the second product. Product 1, quantity 1. And then the third one. So we have mapped all the quantities. Now in the same way, we'll be mapping the price also. This was the unit price for first product. Then the unit price for the second product. And then let us map the unit price for the third product. And here we are going to map the delivery date. So here we have got the date separately, that is month, day and year. So let us map all together by giving a dash and then the year. Okay, so we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means all the product details are added to our Google Sheet. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can see that the details are added over here. Here we have got the submission ID, customer name as demo name, his email address, his phone number, and all the 3 product details are captured over here, t-shirt, mug and bottle. Here we can find their respective quantities and their respective prices. And here we have got the delivery date also. So here we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now let's click on save to save this workflow. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now, as we have set up an automation, this is a one-time process. Next time, whenever the order will be placed, all the product details will be added to your Google Sheet automatically. So now we are going to check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, let's move to the form once again. And here we are going to fill up the details on the name of some other customer. Okay, let's give the customer name as dummy customer. Let's add the mobile number. Let's add the email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Now here we have to select the product. So let us select mug as well as the bottle and quantity as 2 this time. Mug quantity 2. Okay, and here we are going to select the delivery date as 29th of September. Okay, and now let's click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. So the form has been filled. Now we are going to check our Google Sheet. Okay, and here we have got another submission ID captured. Customer name as dummy customer this time. Email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here we have got his phone number. Product name as mug and bottle this time. And here we have got the mug quantity as 2 and the bottle quantity as 1. Here we have got the prices also and the delivery date as 29th of September 2022. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Jotform and Pabbly Connect so that whenever the form is filled, automatically the details are captured in Pabbly Connect. And then using those details, we have added the same product details or the multiple product details in our Google Sheet. And in this way, we have learned that how we can add multiple product details to our Google Sheets on Jotform Submission using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.